So, good day everyone. I am second engineer. Today, we're going to perform a crankshaft deflection where we need to check if there are any misalignment as part of our plant maintenance system scheduled for today. So, before performing crankshaft deflection, we must make sure first that we are wearing proper PPE.
Sir, I'm going to inform also, sir, the crew and also the bridge that we're going to conduct crankshaft deflection and put tag and block out the necessary machinery, especially the motors, pumps, and also, sir, I'm going to engage the turning gear.
Okay. So we must, since we're going to perform crankshaft deflection, I'm expecting that we have already read the manual before. So in our crankshaft deflection, it is stated that we must check if there are any misalignment as of this day. So have you all read the manual as well?
Yes, sir. So what I have read in the manual, according to the manual, sir, the dial gauge of the dial gauge must be set at 20.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have already read the manual and I have prepared the tools needed so that we are all prepared during the maintenance conducting the crankshaft deflection. And also positive reading indicates the opening the crank through, and the negative reading indicates the closing the crank through.
Okay, very good. Very good, Philip. So, since we are going to perform crankshaft deflections, we must prepare if there are any. We must be prepared if there are any damaged bearings where we need to replace. We need to have spares. So,
Yes,
sir, have you already
yes, sir.
prepared?
I call on the company, so I inform them that we are going to conduct a crankshaft deflection maintenance. So, since is the common or the main parts that is we're going to change is the bearing. So I ordered just 10 spare parts of the bearings in case during maintenance that all bearings are damaged. So we have the extra.
Okay. So, when performing crankshaft deflections, we must also identify the risks. We must assess the risks and be able to manage them. So, what are the risks associated in crankshaft deflection? There are tendencies that there is a potential of oil spill in the crankcase, or the engine is not yet cooled down. So we must ensure that the engine has already cooled down before performing crankshaft deflection. So before we at around 1300 hours, we are going to perform the crankshaft deflection, because by that time we are assured that the engine has already cooled down. So in case of an oil spill, Cadet, are we already prepared for an
Yes,
oil
sir.
spill?
I have already prepared the soffit equipment in case there's oil spill in the working area during our conducting the maintenance.
Again, sir, also and also, sir, I already put tag and lock to the necessary machinery, sir.
So, since we're going to perform crankshaft deflection, we're going to enter an enclosed space. As your second engineer, I've already secured a permit to work inside an enclosed space. So we would be inform the other crew as well as the company and the chief engineer, the captain, everyone that we are going to perform a crankshaft deflection inside an enclosed space where there is a limitation in the ventilation as well as in the oxygen content.
But by the way, sir, I'm going also prepare the blower.
Okay.
Since we are in enclosed space conducting a maintenance, so in case of the oxygen will decrease, we have already the backup, the blower, to have enough oxygen.
Okay, so now let's delegate our tasks in crankshaft deflection. As your second engineer, I will be the one who will perform the crankshaft deflection itself. I will be the one who will use the dial gauge and measure the distances and check if there are any misalignment in the front web.
I will be the one also, sir, to assist you.
Okay, thank you.
During the crankshaft deflection.
Okay. Cadet.
I will be the one to taking pictures as documentation, and also I will be the one to assist you, third engineer, during our conducting maintenance.
Okay, so what are the things that we have missed?
So I think, sir, that's also.
Okay, so since we have already, if there are no topics that we've missed, then let us now wait until the engine is ready to cool down and perform crash detection.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dismiss.
Fill up maintenance form.
At sa permit to work, sir.